How to create Telegram account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Telegram app right here. And then once we open our Telegram app, what we're going to do is to click the start messaging right here. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to just put our phone number. So if you're living in a different country, all you have to do is to click that, which is right here, and then you can just look for the country that you are in. So let's say, for example, that we are from the Philippines. So we're going to search for Philippines right here, and then just put your phone number in this part. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to click this button, which is right here, and then make sure that you have the correct number, and then click yes. After that, just click continue right here and then click allow. After that, just put your email, which is right here, or you can just sign in right here with your Google. So I'm going to click this, which is sign in with Google, and then I'm just going to choose the Gmail that I want to use. After that, an OTP will be sent into your phone number, so all you have to do is to wait for that, and then all you have to do is to put it right here. After that, what we're going to do is to allow Telegram to send us notifications. And then after that, once you do that, you have now created a Telegram account, which is right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to create Telegram account.